me, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make you go OD. I get in my way, never out of my life.
Hi guys. No, I don't think I can hold this camera for this long. Anyways, hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Gift here. If you're new, you're welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, you are welcome. Okay, so before we jump right into today's vlog, I wanted to give you guys an update which I've been dreading to do since. So my parents left 2 days after the wedding. My siblings left like 3 days after. Like, I was supposed to, vlog everything about their leaving, but man, they were not even in my house. They went to another place, like far from this place, far from my house, so I didn't get to even say goodbye to them. We were just talking over the phone. So yeah, when we came back, some of my bridesmaids came back with me, so they left from here, and it has been an amazing experience. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. That's just what I wanted to come out here and say. Is there any other thing? I don't think so. So subscribe. Bye. Hi guys. Let me adjust my turban first. Today is Friday after the weekend of our wedding, and I'm going to go return my wedding dress. Today is the 4th of March. I said I should return this dress on Wednesday. Today is Friday. I get coconut head. I'm going to return it early safe. They wouldn't have seen me at least 2 weeks or a month, but being the good girl that I am, I'm returning today. And today is Mmeso's birthday. I've already ordered cake, and I'm going to go to Errands to get some small chops that they sell there, like peanut, donuts, egg rolls, and all this, small chops and some drinks. So we're going to do something at home, something little, okay? Because I'm still recovering from all this from last weekend. Winnie is still here, Sha. She's not gone back, and I'm waiting for my friend Winnie too. No, I have 2 Winnies in my life. So I'm waiting for her. She's going with us because we want to get something at Errands or 2 after dropping the wedding dress. So yeah, that's the agenda for today. I don't know how all my vlog has been, but take it the way you take it, okay? And this is me showing off my ring because it is giving what it should give. Am I getting a refund?
Yes, you will. But not now.
Okay, we'll chat now.
I want to for your details. I'll send to my boss.
No problem. I want to check something in that thing. Okay. This makeup site.
Alright.
Thank you. Let's go. Wedding are finished. It's time to go and marry my husband. I did. So you said they don't have.
Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up. We finna go deep. Riding on a team. Got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down. When I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like a man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can. Daily, baddest in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fan up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow. Yeah, you know me, baby. Won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down. it's all love. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
You know, say like here we dey go.
Why you not serious like that?
Guys, so we are back home. I'm just setting up Mmeso's little surprise. Our cake is here. Happy birthday, Mmeso. With the help of my friend. Hi. So we're going to take pictures. Not be only. Hi guys. We are back home. I finished setting up Mmeso's cake and everything. She's not yet back from school. So I wanted to show you guys what I got from Mecca Beauty. I'm still looking for the foundation or the primer I'm going to get. So I just picked up two things. I got the Fenty Beauty foundation because I've always wanted to get this and the NARS foundation. But let me grab this first because I have oily skin, so they kept on saying I should get the NARS one. So I should get the Fenty one, sorry. So I got this one. So our makeup is about to be bomb, okay? Then this eyebrow pencil, say Beauty Line by Didi. And that's all I got from them, okay? That's all. So I'm just going to quickly change. I'm supposed to upload a video today, and all I know is going to go up today. It's going to go up today, whether early or late. It has to go up today. So I'll see you guys. Bye, ciao. This name wants to enjoy me, but their father.
Don't wanna take it slow. Just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time. Needed some time to grow. Just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time. Ready to talk, baby, and be your rock, baby.
You should stop now. So you should stop. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my mmeso. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now?
How old are you? How old are you, sister? Yeah. Good girl.
Many more years to you. 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 Hip 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 hooray!
Okay, say as you spend it.
DK, it's not your birthday, DK. DK, it's not. Come out from there.
No, leave him there.
Just hold him so that he will not cause the cake before he will get
Why are you crying?
Let's count to what I can
And
do.
don't cry. We will spend mmeso.
3, 2, 1, and you cut.
Let's go.
Okay.
Okay. E S O mmeso. Hi guys. So today's agenda, I'm going to Errands to get traveling box or traveling bag for my mom-in-law. They have been here since the wedding and they're going to be leaving very soon. So I want to go get traveling box for her. I'm waiting for Winnie, my friend. We're going in our car because I could not go out on Sunday. It was raining. I was supposed to buy fuel. I was supposed to fill my tank up on Sunday, but the kind of rain, I actually dressed up to go. We've already moved the car. I didn't reach our estate gate, sure, but I was not seeing anything on the road. I just turned back, okay, because I don't want to hear story. So we're going in our car, and hubby said there's fuel sure in a gallon. So later I'll send one of our, to help me fill it. So yeah. I think I should buy school bag for DK because this our bag is now too small. Hi.
Hi.
Say good evening.
Finish.
Good evening. Evening. I say evening. Hi guys. I've been back for God knows how long. It's already night actually. So I got this delivery. A friend of mine. We were supposed to meet after my wedding, but something happened. We could not meet. So she sent my wedding gift. So we're unboxing it together because it's actually a perfume. Wow, nice one, Nepa. So as we were unboxing, see, I don't know the positions to stay, so please manage this one. I'm very tired. I want to go and have my bath. It is Dior.
Thank you.
You should not kick my camera down, no. Smells nice. Smells nice. Smells nice. Oh my god. Oh my god. Sorry. We are fighting with this thing. Oh, take. Eat. This is our packaging. It is so cute. I can actually just put this inside my bag. Oh my god. Look at thumbnail. Thumbnail for the thumbnail. Please. Stop, daddy, stop it. So let's know what it smells like. Daddy, wait. Oh my god, this smells good. Baby girl, if you're watching this, thank you so much. Oh my god, it smells like Mont Paris. Why I say Mont Paris mixed with, oh my goodness. You still choke on this, you're sweet. So I've been back from Errands for how God knows how long. So this is the school bag I picked for DK. If you know our first back to school picture, you know how small the bag is. Like his homework doesn't fit in anymore. So I picked this one for 8,000 something. But it's 8,000 something, and I love it. Anyway, let me show my subscribers your bag. So this is what it looks like. But yeah. And that's about it. I'm going to go and have my shower and get ready for bed. I want to go change my nails tomorrow. See, one have already fallen out, and I've just been hurting myself, so I want to go and remove this one, fill it in, and do a very short nail. So can you stop disturbing me? I take you guys see what this boy. You just be fighting. You cannot ask for help. You cannot say, mommy, take, please help me. Eh? See your face. Kiss, kiss. Mwah. Hi guys.
Okay.
This is DK.
Okay.
Welcome to my channel. Show them. Smells nice.
Me.
It smells nice. Nice. It's nice. You like? Don't break it though. If you break it, I'll break your head. Alright, give me. Thank you. I film your video. Take. Hold your camera. Hold your camera now. Maybe you want to film something. I'm gonna take. I say hi.
Hi.
This is DK. No. It's okay. It's okay.
Yeah.